Megavent Skylight Retractable Roof offers unparalleled versatility and style for any space, with its sleek design and advanced engineering. It seamlessly integrates indoor and outdoor living while providing protection from the elements. Whether for a residential patio, restaurant terrace, or commercial atrium, the Megavent system delivers natural light, fresh air, and an open-air experience at the touch of a button. Megavent Skylight Retractable Roof System boasts cutting-edge technology, including weather sensors for automatic operation and remote control accessibility for ultimate convenience. Its robust construction ensures durability and longevity, while still maintaining an elegant and contemporary aesthetic. With its ability to adapt to various architectural styles and requirements, the Megavent Skylight Retractable Roof is the ideal choice for enhancing any space, creating a dynamic environment that can be enjoyed year-round. Explore a range of materials, finishes, and customization options to create the perfect solution for your project.